Ebushafo ma munyina akwa ba eba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe. Then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebushafo yako NSM anyway.
Why can't Kennedy Japan come out and denounce the Rebase or T-Base?
At the outset, let me say, I knew forehand say, the Bezu said the news said the Enko baby, because so for me group bina I don't put actually one bitterness, hatred, any greed they be collapse because those two things na three things no toxic mixture no and one best say one kasa na mu shechira mu tu sa na mo no and the base no I'm telling you nkrofo one they feel bitter, two they want to amount to something in politics. Nkrofo like they want to lead, they want to be in the limelight at all cost. Person relevant in party and as a politics. And ye greedy, say your food no more than for me the base. And more time pan. And all time start from Oti Bonsu no. Ebra campaign ne koso no. Juma na kam de ba be di ni pa o Facebook ni TikTok asi. Ana lady bi no ye juma wa NC. Me fere ne pa ne ofa. Ano message me on Facebook say was me ne papa ne oya ne wofa ne de obre ne ho ase on pe ne ho asem juma na nka me de ba be di ni because I had documents adia wo gina so a wo di ansem hunu we I had documents a prove say man no say bi agene bone and le woni trim mo be kaya prior to 2024 elections papa we ba wonten say Samira ba omia amia ko bu ne dan. I had court documents are woo assassin in Yahodia. More trouble manson over years. I'm court are making pronouncements one at the day, which led to the demolition of that building. No court documents, Samira Dinim, Dr. Baomia Dinim. But in fact, there are evidence say party no penifo woman apone honorable Oppong Nkrumah at a point. They say wo dey inform who cry say asem no wudi for. They are willing to make sure so obenya asase wo ba bia wo pe bia. And sika wo pesa wo dey shase bu and pempen so abako no na edu ayebubu no they were willing to do with papa he said that.
Hey, are you sure about that, Prezo?
Oh, I'm finding
no problem. I know what I said is true. I just want you to hammer on it again. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah. There was even a video on that. Make a video now in that sending so that you put it on your platform.
Yeah.
So that man, no, literally, all time. Anna omo mudidi actually. Ejako is just one greedy. Opesika no 2023 after primaries no. Anka Kennedy Japan bonusum. That one is greedy. Osan come for Ejako. Sika ebedi ni sema na so de adwuma no. Wan fanye. Some of them are sort of format and I say more observe year. Vima Jacko di share Kennedy Japan campaign in 2023 and yes I have been no audition the last election.
Yeah.
Because someone has a no more some na dey na ko echechere nebu. Na echechere nebu because o ko di Kennedy Japan sika maka or shina sunkra.
E dey na ko so NPP mu adan. One person who time, one person who ya jealous inti. Na ya na the voice. Ye nipa ye refusɛd. Ye obi hyebre ni yensemu. Obi hyebre eni yensem. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia me say Womu be kosoro aba forma ye den. They will never ever succeed.
Amen.
They will never ever succeed. Now NPP said the voice now who can earlier no political party be anywhere surely no party see a party. Rollins, it took Rollins 19 years and some not transformography NDC.
Yeah.
NPP, it took us years.
Yeah.
If GCPP,
Over 30 years.
Yes.
Over 30 years.
GCPP, nearby a hifa UP, and nearby a transformography, I do a hifa.
To NLM and all those things.
Yes, only one day.
What you know?
And me can't say what a party because of selfish interest in tea. We're full, we're nibre, and no tribalistic bigotry, tribal bigotry in Tino. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Tribe no, sabi the voice eh. Obi na ka say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia won't go yengre money.
Debut.
On the choose you yeah. Chese mood in the whole time. Any a lunch man think crofoko ka bom ne nkwasi asem ni jimie. Sa na mudi ya nanado. Mudi o tiny fi nanado so di akoba omia so. E de me ade poti pa na ba omia de ayamo. Oboni chese respect ni ahobrase papa we wo. Ba omia nim di ekuta no. Omo ni bi enu na yo ya no. Wo ma bon. Wo ma bon se bin.
Obi our opposition na EU ambassador Timiko Shano say my adwin.
Yes. Obi onu opposition. Munche no ma ko opposition no. Ye friend wo Amsterdam. Ekoka economics one say munche me. Ma wo opposition munche me baby friend ko so nka economics one say. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, muya denya he's blessed. He's blessed than you. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, he's a man of wisdom, a man of integrity, man of excellence.
Yeah.
Me catch and say, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, first na mana eto free suruba. But nyankopon yes shebress self one Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Enti sa akro I can say akronfo no mu de omo so manya ne omo pe no ntom ye mom kwan no ye tete party no enibrefo dabrabafo tribal bigotfo na ne hyehyɛ MPP mu no wo mo so mo pe Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ye de ye pe no ye achimfo ya gina tum ya san ase mo ye de pe wo beba. I'm speaking on behalf of us achimfo.
Yeah.
Omo rompa bo ahye me wo ye de Dr. Mahmoud Baumia de beba.
Amen.
And found ya mobile Montana Asante Region Munu Kwasi Asamo. A jaco watching chum sachumo. Watching chimsa whom you did chija. Penny Bonia Cocra Bonnie, who super funtino also Tihu Junior.
Jaco cry by the same. Jaco never the same.
Jaco and the Baumia at the Sideni. A jaco and the Baumia Sideni. Baumia Sideni. We nipa Bonnie Wati. When you are more said than Chamachi. Will Bonnie if you win him. A cocra Bonnie. Wo ejako na Baumia and me be see STEM school e yemamo ayi e can say
creative school.
Creative school. Dr. Baumia na facilitate here.
And he Ejako was part of the people who were consulted
on
your school, consultants on your school.
Of course. And then Dr. Mahmoud Baumia said then mo just say nkwasi asem na mu good party mu na mudi na won say mo asem ne chimi sam no. Asem bia beko wu ebekramo. Asem bia beko wu ebekramo. Just say the voice. Minti bido. Asem bia be start esi wokuma ase. Adden start wo Eastern region. Be bia be see adden. Why do you allow yourself to be used like that? Why? Say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia o yen kremoni nti mumpe. And also was say NPP I can for party. NPP I can for party. Don't go to Mumuzia tradition. Muti asese. Don't mono any. We are chimney and so asantini. Don't boy any. No munja mujimi no kwasi asem na mu betreta TikTok ni social media mujimi mo hun ma bodam. Why guys NPP I can for party. Muye de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wobeba abeye niema ye wobeba abeye NPP stronghold ye wobeba ye akamfo na mugire wona mo se mu mpe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nti no mu say party no wobeye mu krom yama no mani ewu Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wobeye mu krom ama mu yina mu ni ewu munya kwasi asam no mate inkwasifo the base woni true mu the base woni chase de nkwasiafo ejibifo moa musu enyansa no majibi dodo moa.
Well, thank you so much. It's possible. Yeah. on fast.
My Philippine blame why?
But I say,
my Philippine blame what Mr.
on Pacho Debbie, Padima, Pacho your line soon, Pacho Power.
And then we shall for me chat for
Pamucho. Debbie, you know something? Let me set some rules here. We've been Babajinaso. Okay, I train him any time. Then you come and tell and say, oh, you remember something like that. It's all right. Unless some of you, we know you. We have been, run the show with you. Who say Obama? I know genuinely say, oh, you remember? You want to contribute. But I say, first time, I think it's not really fair. But be at any time. Paddy man, 5 minutes, young boy. Who they just say, right now it's still possible to judge. When a man gift, yes, I say more fire. Hey.
The voice.
Yes. Then I go.
Michia na mebo abaso. Dumaso a we my party nyame nshira obebre.
Amen.
Na minchia menuanom amwo ha. It is possible o tuja. Osu nyame nshira mu nyina Ahmed mu Patriotic
Health team.
Patrick na Alex mu nyame nshira mu bebre. Or therefore the mechanic say it is possible wakani nyina ena menuanom a makasa no bedoa na aka omo de enu anu no ye nua ne sen na amben eja kwa ye nim say movie na movie studio and I say movie industry na wo obi a me pe wasam pa ene wo guni ho anim ase wo manim Ejako pa e friend Ejako a ye hwe o movie a na ye ne age ene wa ye kutre a wan ne de fita soso wagu ho anim ase papa eni bre boni ben no nti wuti hwei Ejako nti wuti hwei onim se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wa ye nneoma bebre wo krom ha as a vice president ana eni bre boni ben no nti sebi obi a wo movie wo ho a ye hwe wo movie so ebo bra wo krom ha na wo acting movie edit ho a ye ne ye hwe wo so ye hwe wo movie ebo bra wo krom ha wo mumu hwe ne wo kire wo krom ha ede ne nibre boni sa na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia boni ben kwa na ode yem boni ben kwa na doctor oni ne yire de yem na sebi mpo se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia edidi watema na se wafumu mpo a ekwan we na ede ne faso ni na sebio na yewra Kennedy ye papa Kennedy ede na prevent no se yeti base amount yesi wonimu hu bi na chaos aye menya wo krom ha until what is preventing him to come out and tell us what he is having in his heart na preventing say obeba abontia be ka kire MPP for say me ye MPP ni na me self base sam no me nim ho hwe nsama ye twatu nanado ni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia MPP aban so atro MPP NDC for twagu yeso a yentumi and defend the same thing is happening today na ye papa Kennedy untumi mabonti a whole masses na gange oma form ade bia oma friend ghettos bezo na omo say wu na omo dibadi anim nti what are you waiting for ye nyina ye nim say wo ye MPP ni nti sisia wo ye MPP ni say the base head ana Yetiti no krom NDC for no ye piepe na ye Kennedy ye base no finance wo ntam bebre. Nti what are the things who try say who be bonti aba defend this ade no. Ye be sre no. Sa base no. Omo ampo no sa base na ayam se omo odom ye nia ya hyeda de ye nkofo ye nuanom ye nanfofo no ye di ama omo se omo nkopiki sa forms no omo da omo platforms bebre na no ye nyina me ameka se me wo base platform bebre so enti omo se omo dooso me ka mamati se mo rebe ho there is no third party betumi a super power NPP be simple that nti se wa ye wadwen se umma Dr. Mahamud Bawumia embedi president me kama wate ne se nyankopon ade a wa hyehye ato ho a wode ne nhira aguso no wo da se ni untumi nya ho hwe da wan hwe so wanim baguase enim guase a ebi ni wiase no ebi na be enu na beto nti mo amoye mo adwen say you want to spoil the agenda of Dr. Mahamud Bawumia to become a president and our most beautiful woman Samira Bawumia be the first lady no mo anhwa mo enim baguase ama sebi mo be srempo say yen sansuo mpo ma mo mpo mo nya obi sansuo ma mo nya adwen say wo sika na nyankopon say ogu anim ase a ya dikitu ebi Nabukadnezar oyo hini krapo no o mane bedane aboa akoda nwurem so many years nti ade a yede ye nua no yenhwe Dr. Mahamud Bawumia nyoma yede ye no na enya no yenhwe ne ye na mumpo se wumpo na wonto aba ma Dr. Mahamud Bawumia
30 seconds
epumum pata adano dru December 7 epumum pata mepo betutu abeto abama Dr. Mahamud Bawumia ema wabeye president of this country. Upo ebesi nso. It has been ordained and sealed by the powers of God. Inti mu solitia Dr. Mahamud Bawumia no mu sa nyoma no jandam no nyina enkosiaga mo enim na babiase inti mu mpa enim guase there. You should cooperate right now. Na ye nyina ye mfa odone nkabom emfa nkoto abama Dr. Mahamud Bawumia.
Thank you so much. I say for Bible say they should give honor to whom honor is due. All of us are honorable. But say to me, I 5 minutes. Let me bring in Presido and then we come back to the queue. I'm talking to Patriotic Health Team, Ahmed and Alex TK. 5 minutes. Why? I know you people will agree. Presido, good
evening. Me one of my founding fathers. No. One of my founding fathers. No.
Oh, okay, I see. Presido, then I go. We base versus T base versus Kinke base. Then I go.
Presido, ya ti unka chepa o. Anami na me hu.
Una hu mi o. Debi ame wa ha me ya sorry. Church.
Okay.
And 24 where they me that was say so no aside say oh you greedy or you comfort our person at all cause or relevant in politics or this answer way no or science we bibia to get back in the heart of Kenya Japan to prove so not a lawyer or done on that you know and for him kusi so on only there on only problem the crowd so he will be a weaponer, a function against the base and Kasaka. And it has already started. Me who video be now on Nkrumah a mobile money. merchant number on my register obi the need register. Me I didn't pay attention to it, but me because I didn't want to waste time on them. Also be the base, you know. I register merchants more than the code be one honor.
I felt shy for Jacob. I felt shy for him.
So literally, they are even fighting about they just want to make money and they think say politics now. Omo betimi omo fast akwan we so no mo betimi enye sika You see, prior to the elections, I always say that after this election, nobody is going to beg nobody. Obi anywhere so Obi actual. Because I was saying, Dr. Baumian Crawford the D waterman. Crawford also the D Dr. Baumian and Crawford water. And you want to come to equity, you should come with clean hands. On side dirty. So nobody owes nobody apology. And apologies now and Obi anywhere already 17 or below. In adult. Over joining MPP, no, you had your own aim, aspirations, goals. Unimini or party meeting abe join here. Unim baby our pesa oko. If at any point in time you think say you want to go, that's fine. Me, it doesn't lie in my mouth. In fact, I won't waste my energy to come and explain to you say but what they cannot take away, and I say what they cannot prevent, and they say in 2028, inshallah. Almost robust for Mumu dear bro better. Dr. Baumia will win the elections. Me, I have had this conviction since I had to about year 2024. Because I know NDC. I know what they are capable of. I know say they will mess up NDC. The most functioning, the most prosperous, the most better, perfect economy. They will mess it up. And I know that the very things are Ghanaians, aging so to about here MPP, they will regret, and we are seeing it manifesting in our own eyes.
Yeah.
So that's why I was always strong on it. Say, you see, regardless of who you are, you can win with us or be against us when we win. But regardless of the position that anybody takes, Dr. Baumia be winning. And one thing that people shouldn't lose sight of is that political party, at the same area, they will be.
Yeah.
For various tertiary institutions, some of them 18 right now they are ginger, they are joining the party through Tescom. Go to the various party offices. People going there to find out how can I be a member?
Yeah.
Day in, day out, people are joining MPP. So if you think say few people will be if you so move free my party in the collapse, then who they are grow? Who they are growing anything and me will be free party in my man because nipa no back up ala na eko. We had boys that we know politicians so more future our MPP. We had boys and one thing that I used to tell them say listen nipa na wudi nechi no be you obenya we MPP mu bia wanya wie. Aka president pe obedi. Wanya on hwehwe. Ba who small boy no, who youth no. And then na wanya o person who throw life or career or prospect in MPP away to help somebody further their personal ego. I kept on asking them, and I was telling them, say me. So corner say ba omo be sing you praises say oh welcome now. I wouldn't be part. And he said that should be position or party ni mu a me na me ye wanfo no me na be use what dey dey abo yam. Because MPP mu na me be sia. And at any point in time, if you go against the MPP now, you are going against the very foundation the relationship is predicated upon. Unless maybe I knew you before party. Even if I knew you before party now, I would deal with you about party matters based on party issues. In fact, personal stuff in them. Through family issues in and for 7 and you can it differently. I was telling them, and some of them they are back. In fact, prior to 2024 elections, majority of them came back. And no more mobile back, and you know, for how they were proactive in me they so next time nipa no ko bibi kra me use against it. But after elections no back that be who pay bibi the boy that one day because whatever decision that you took no it cost MPP.
Yeah.
Into won't mean back to send ye see ye. Into yen jai bibia. Into omudi can a point in and so mudi Oti Bonsu a chini at the aden. You guys should know same. Those people no munya when people will be a woman. Oti Bonsu sika when ya when people by way of contrast near some and yasam kitwa. A jack obedi MPP. A jack when yasika, a jack movies basa na one na mun kanya politics movies and ejapo no on strand wedi ka by now other form. That's why I kuku or person oye bibia masa. You see, smaller parties no. One thing that we should understand, if they're able to have that kind of traction, they become somewhat kingmakers of a sort, and I say a tool, major political parties would want to use them, especially at IPAC meetings. And basically they know this. I say, oh, yet me establish a party now. Even the electoral commission at the point where my car, we will be giving that audience. And the betting meeting pennyphobia on me is canny idea. So as I didn't win a binimudi they want to front the base, you know. So what I think we a baboon now party now dear him if you are constituency being when it's now when it's to I think proud to elections in internal issues in now so could do material. You will not know their ulterior motives, you wouldn't know their end games, and they will sacrifice you. Until we are party now would hear me. We are MPPD. Now also support any other candidate other than Dr. Baumia. Now you are too abandoned. You feel say oh candidate and whatever nonsense that is going on, no, you are in support. I will advise you say to move because on my dear Nimuno on my trimupono it's not for you. And yawo ana almost sorry ube hu obi ya the camera see me so ana and kola ewie suku a omunya adwuma nye enti ye ne ye kofa asemesi ana obenti ana obenti na nepe na oba oman ganem asemesi ana obenti no sa onya position onya opportunities e dey no dey ma grassroots for na nkasa talent we need to be serious. We need to be serious. Maybe more my son, I know hear me say. Because some of them no, they are short-sighted. That because what is to come. One another political party, every MPP ni NDC was succeeded. Both NDC ni MPP. Indum nyesika panko for aban man nyesika. Indum bet PPP. I remember say at the time 2012 na me a journalist. 2012 indum campaign on you say oh or baby third force PPP way prepare PPP way